they gather performance data, analyze patterns from the work they've done, and apply optimizations before becoming active again. The idea is they come back smarter, more effective, more valuable, like reviewing customer feedback to improve your dishes.
So they literally get smarter on the job. And how do they remember things like past conversations or specific company knowledge? Like remembering a regular customer's favorite order.
They detail a multi-tiered memory system. It's designed to give the worker the right context at the right time, kind of like a human brain. There's a midterm session memory for stuff lasting days or weeks. What question did this lead ask last? That kind of thing. Or what did this customer order last time?
And for
Oh, go for it.
Yeah, so what I want us to do is kind of, I'm done cooking, and so I want to kind of end the YouTube video here, and the YouTube video is going to be spliced up into a lot of smaller videos, and so I want us to kind of wrap up.
Okay, fantastic. That makes perfect sense for creating those engaging clips.
Brilliant. We're happy to have provided some food for thought for your audience.
And knowing this will be broken into smaller segments is really helpful. Context.
We'll keep that in mind as we wrap up our discussion.
So picking up on how these digital workers remember things.
Yes, we were just talking about their midterm memory.
Which lasts for days or weeks, like remembering what a customer ordered last time.
And then there's the permanent memory for long-term knowledge.
Exactly. They use a smart AI librarian for understanding documents.
Like finding the recipe for your famous dish.
And a graph memory for mapping complex relationships over time.
Showing all the steps to create a perfect meal.
They highlight using specific database technologies for each memory.
So memory is covered. How do these workers connect to other business tools?
They have a flexible trimodal integration framework.
3 ways to connect different apps and systems.
First, visual workflows for non-developers to link.
And finally, platform APIs for deep, direct connections.
Like integrating with your main online ordering system.
This robust integration is key for both today's uses and their future vision.
Absolutely. Now, let's briefly touch on some of the core features.
Automation, as they call it.
One key feature is intelligent business ingestion,
where the system learns about your company from your website.
Creating company profile manual typing.
Like it tastes the digital air of your business.
And you can upload documents to deepen this knowledge.
So the digital workers become instantly knowledgeable.
Another key is the digital ecosystem.
A hierarchical structure of specialized AI agents.
With roles like orchestration, domain-specific, and execution workers.
Like a head chef and specialized sous chef.
Workflow Store Marketplace offers pre-built automation processes.
Like an app store for business automation recipes.
You can deploy workflows for things like abandoned cart recovery.
Or client onboarding for service-based businesses.
Intelligent workflow orchestration manages complex automation scenarios.
Ensuring everything runs smoothly, like a skilled expediter.
And business visualization and analytics track performance.
Showing you what's working and where to improve.
Finally, the integration hub connects all your different tools.
Ensuring seamless communication across your tech stack.
We also looked at feature options,
where you pay for the work done, not just software access.
Leading to potentially significant cost savings.
Highlighted in their total cost of ownership comparison.
Human versus digital labor, a stark contrast.
And we touched on the 4 layers of value you get from Poly.
Infrastructure, labor, scale, and that interesting mission value.
The discount for foundational sector partners.
We also examined their target customer profile.
The pragmatic visionary, often a Gen X business owner.
And how they position themselves in the competitive landscape.
Not just on features, but on philosophy and purpose.
Highlighting their purpose-driven architecture.
Which leads us to that larger vision of Poly 186 and P3.
The long-term goal of automated abundance and planetary scale engineering.
Fueled by the learning and revenue from Poly today.
And that invitation to co-creation really stood out.
Seeking partners to build this future together.